Hi everyone, I'm good. How are you? So in this video, I'm going to show how to play chair.io game. Okay. First, when you enter the game, it will ask you to enter your name. What name I'll give? I'll give Vishwablooms. Okay. My name I have given as Vishwablooms. Now let's look at this play because I don't have money, so I can. Waiting for progress. Drag to move. Bump. So you need to drag like infinity. So you need to hit others so that you will win. Your chair broke. Without breaking your chair, you should break others' chairs. Go. Yes, great. Oh, I lost. Our score is 40 now. Look at the score box once. Ixia is the more but now also. So in that box, if you be there, it is a safe zone, I feel. Zone. So you also got fire, you can kill anyone with fire. If someone comes. But still I'm there. So they are giving some directions for us. You can kill them. So you need to kill so many members, then you will get things. So ours is second place, that is 78. 91 now. Yeah, we have to move to first place, right? Hope you all are enjoying it. Yo, we are the first place. That is 111. You're great. So you also try playing in Poki. So go to Google, type poki.com. Then you will get chair.io game. Then try playing this game. Oh, we went down. Now we should go up. Exio, we should defeat that. So our time is up. And now our new high score is 125. It's good to be second place. And we are bronze medalist. Want to be gold medalist? Immediately go to poki.com and play chair.io. So hope you enjoyed this. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. In our channel we have about Vedic maths, robotics, cooking tips, entertainment, studies, games. So all we have. So if you are interested to see that, you should subscribe to Vishwablooms and don't forget to share to your friends. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.